pinag-usapan po namin ni Direk. You know, he's very, very good at giving me examples, what's so to watch. Very collaborative po yung pagka-work namin. So, yeah. Thank you po sa...
May pinagan ka ba? Meron kang peg na actor?
Wala naman, but he made me watch Chuck Bass from Gossip Girl. Made me watch that.
Ito, pinanood mo ba yung live version nito?
Yeah, of course. Pinanood po namin, assignment po namin yun. Kailangan namin tapusin yung series. So, we get to have the feeling of kung ano yung magiging peg.
Paano yun? Kahit paano na may conscious effort na ay, hindi yung acting mo?
Nung una po, actually, when I talked to Direk, sabi Direk, paano ko ba mukopyahin yung kung paano si Pat? Kasi coming from Wattpad, they wanted to be like super similar yung character. Pero sabi ni Direk, it's an adaptation. You can't copy-paste. Dapat meron kang similar version ni Pat. So, ibahin mo yung atake. So, may mga collaborative kami na kung paano si Pat. May pagka-difference din ng original Thai series. Kasi syempre napanood na po ng tao yun eh. So, we wanted to have a different Pinoy culture for Pat.
So, ganun na, pinanood mo yung live version.
Soft-spoken kasi.
You know, as Gab said, I don't want to compromise. It's an adaptation. I want to put our own twist in it. And especially showing that
Love team din kayo dito.
We're in a relationship in this show, pero sobrang iba kasi sa one-man series namin eh. Kasi yung maganda dito, it's not about being lovey-dovey or rom-com. It's about like how are we gonna do the heist. May iba't iba kasing role yung character namin. Kung anong role. Guys, naghahanap ako ng mga clients dito, yung kanina bibigay ko kay Lynn, kung ako yung mga naghahanap sa pera, gano'n. And she has her own role.
Meron may tender moments din kayo?
Oo naman. Meron din mga masakit na moments na mangyayari.
Hindi, yung kayong dalawa.
Kayo talaga.
Oh, yes.